Chop wood, carry water to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom, our expression today is one I've never actually heard of before, which might be an indicator of my level of enlightenment or working toward enlightenment personally. But it's to chop wood, carry water. And it is a Zen Buddhism, a Zen Buddhist proverb, an old Zen Buddhist proverb that originated in ancient China. And it basically means, and the belief behind it is that enlightenment cannot be achieved just through spiritual and intellectual pursuits and endeavors. You have to apply what you're learning and thinking about and discovering and having epiphanies about to ordinary things in everyday life, because it reminds us of the importance of being in the present moment, being mindful and intentional in all of the things that we do. And this, of course, applies to building and growing and supersizing our business. Are we doing it intentionally? Are we doing it with integrity? Are we doing it and bringing our whole self to that endeavor? And are we doing it in an enlightened fashion? Are we doing it to make the world a better place? Or are we doing it for other reasons? Sometimes we start off building a business just because we want to make a living and support our family. And we then discover a bigger purpose, which is what this month's annual challenge is all about. Getting your goals, your spiritual goals and objectives. And I like to tie in the annual challenge. I started last year tying in the annual challenge with the Supersize Your Business idiom for each day, mainly because it makes my life and my job easier. Plus, it keeps me focused in an area of learning and study versus hopping around to different things. But I'm curious, do you believe that this is true? You know, I think the whole saying goes something like, before enlightenment, chop wood, carry water. After enlightenment, chop wood, carry water. I think that's the proverb. And it's just reminding us to do everything that we do in a mindful, present moment, intentional way. Do things on purpose, not just ad hoc and by accident. So curious, have you heard this idiom? Since I haven't, I'd love to know if I'm, I guess I don't follow much ancient Chinese wisdom apparently, but have you heard it? Have you used it? Have you found ways to apply it as you grow and build your business? Share in the comments below, because this inquiring mind would love to know. Otherwise, have an awesome day, and I will be with you tomorrow.